Everybody, here we are again in our VNM program. VNM in Sinhala language we say Vimut Niwan Maga. The meaning of that sentence is the liberation path to enlightenment. So, enlightenment is a great topic in all Eastern philosophy because someone who entered to the enlightenment while he was living, he experienced the ultimate truth in the universe, and so there is no any other such a sorrow or tension after he get enlightened. So enlightenment is the basic topic and the most popular and the most highest topic in Eastern philosophy and also the Western philosophy. Regarding this, we are studying and we are guiding to make a research about Eastern philosophy through Buddhism. We are guiding you in this program. So previously we have 5 programs here. Now we are coming to 10.36 program. From this program we are going to explain you the second division of Theravadi Buddhist Tripitaka. So in previous program, in this VNM program season 2, the English version, so we already presented you 5 videos before, so you can go to the playlist of this. If you watching this video from my Surat Chamara YouTube channel, you can go to the playlist VNM Vimut Niwan Maga playlist and you can search about the previous videos. And also if you are watching this video from my Facebook page, my YouTube channel Facebook page, so you can log into my profile Surat Chamara and find out there is one album, the briefing of my YouTube channel. There is one album, there is one post in that album regarding Vimut Niwan Maga. All the program links were commented there. So let's turn to the program again. So now today I told you we are going to introduce you the subtle doctrine part, the second division of Tripitaka, which we normally call and the popular around the world as Abhidhamma Pitaka. Abhidhamma means Abhi means subtle, Dhamma means the doctrine, the subtle doctrine. The subtle part of doctrine is the Abhidhamma, and also in Abhidhamma it analyzes the whole universe until its ultimate level, matlab absolute final level. So this is very important when we are going to study this Abhidhamma. We must know these things first. So this program we are going to analyze and show you briefly about the Abhidhamma Pitaka. So Abhidhamma Pitaka is the second division, and in the first doctrinal assembly there are 6 doctrinal assemblies in Buddhist history, and the most first one is happened 2600 years before, 1 month, 3 months after the Parinibbana of Tathagata Gautama Buddha, our Lord. So then this second division Abhidhamma Pitaka was prepared that time, but completed at the third doctrinal assembly happened when King Dharmashoka, Samrat Ashok in Hindi, and we Sinhala and Pali we called Ashoka or Dhammashoka Adhirajya. Or this time, after 3 centuries after the Parinibbana of Tathagata Buddha, the Abhidhamma Pitaka fully completed at the third doctrinal assembly. So in the beginning, Lord Tathagata Buddha preached the Abhidhamma Pitaka at Tautisa heaven. Then after that, his main disciple Sariputta Mahatero has listened to the Abhidhamma Pitaka from Tathagata Buddha, and he teach it to his student generations. And this student generation protect the Pitaka verbally after generation. Then when it organized as a division, they pass it one bhikkhu generation to other bhikkhu, next bhikkhu generation. So through the time it came until today. So after become books, It came first in Hela language in Sri Lanka, Sinhalese language, then or the ancient Sinhalese language. Then after that, it's translated to Pali language, the original language of Buddhism. And then again it was spread over all over the Buddhist countries and around the world. Now it's available in many versions in English also. So many organizations and good people, they uploaded the Tripitaka to internet also. So you can easily get these books from internet, and also you can order from online even. You can get these books easily from library and all the other methods. How we purchasing books, like all that kind of method, you can get these books. So it is no matter, you can get Abhidhamma Pitaka from even today. Our duty of this program, we are guiding you about the study. So once you get the idea from this program as a briefing, then we are guiding you to our 2 pages. One page is in Sinhalese language, our mother language. So this is for Sri Lankan Buddhist, all Sri Lankan Buddhist and non-Buddhist who can even use Sinhalese language. This page is open for them. And also the other page for foreign people who are using English all around the world, the second page, the doctrine page. You can search on the Facebook by typing the doctrine page. So the page will come in front of you. The profile is a blue lotus flower, and the back cover photo, the profile picture and the cover photo is the one Dagoba, Ruwanweli Saya, and the lake behind Tisaveva. It included as the cover photo. So very easily you can find this page, and you can study this page before you going to study Abhidhamma Pitaka from its original version. So from these pages, we are encourage you to get a brief idea about the Abhidhamma Pitaka, and then you go your original study. Abhidhamma Pitaka revealed in 7 books, we normally call Prakarana books. 6 Prakarana books complete at first doctrinal assembly, and the 7th one was completed after second assembly at the 3rd assembly. Doctrinal assembly, which happened in the King Samrat Ashok time. So now you have get basic idea about the Abhidhamma Pitaka and what are the books included there. So from our next program, we will discuss the books available in Abhidhamma Pitaka. So thank you very much. I hope this program will useful to those who wish to do a study about Buddhism. First they can get guidance from this program, and they can refer our Facebook pages, and they can, after that they can download Tripitaka from internet, or they can get books even online. They can purchase and they can do a study. So we give everything free from our side. The page and everything, the guidance is everything free. For the books, we are not currently publishing any books, but in future we will publish. But we are not making any, we are not earning, we are not wishing to earn any money from that, because we wish to get from you only the printing price, the printing value only, and the delivery cost only. That any other we are not wish to get, because the doctrine is we received by free and we will spread by free. Only the material we need to pass the message through material. Only the material cost and delivery cost we wish to get in future, but not now. In future we wish to arrange a program regarding this, so that time we will make you aware about that. So thank you very much. I am Suraj Chamara from Vimutti Niwan Maga. This VNM program in future we wish to spread around our country Sri Lanka and also around the world. So here is our first reveal about that from this program. Hopefully we see you again from next video also, and also in other events in future. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.